From the air, rows of deep green stretch across the field in perfect symmetry, a vibrant patchwork of growth, precision, and timing. This is parsley, one of the world's most widely used herbs. And today, it's harvest day. Machines move slowly through the rows, specialized parsley harvesters, low to the ground, clipping the plants clean at their base. With each pass, the rich green bundles rise on conveyor belts and flow into the onboard hoppers. The blades are sharp, the movement efficient, but the touch is gentle to preserve freshness. Parsley is delicate, but grown in volume, it becomes an agricultural force. Used in cuisines across the globe, this herb is prized for both its fresh taste and health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, vitamin K, and iron, parsley is more than a garnish. It's a super herb in disguise. Once the harvester's hopper is full, the machine pauses beside a waiting transport truck. This isn't an on-the-go transfer. The harvester aligns and discharges the fresh parsley into the stationary trailer, carefully unloading the product without crushing or overheating it. The drone captures every detail: the cascade of leaves, the rhythm of fieldwork, the teamwork behind the harvest. After loading, the truck slowly pulls away from the field, ready to head for cooling and packaging. From above, you can see the journey unfold, from rooted rows to mobile freight, a clean and efficient flow of food production. Parsley may seem simple, but its harvest requires coordination, timing, and care. Every leaf harvested today will end up on a plate tomorrow, fresh, crisp, and full of life. We've taken you above the parsley fields. Now, as the truck disappears down the dusty path, we'll leave you with the view and the music.